Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where I post videos about mobile earning apps, websites, cryptocurrencies, and many more to help us earn extra income. Cryptocurrency is a virtual form of money that is distributed across a large number of computers. This word is derived from the encryption techniques and are used to secure the network, which makes it hard to counterfeit or double spend cryptocurrencies. Collectors of cryptocurrencies like me can simply make money by mining or buying and selling cryptocurrencies at a profit. Today, I'm going to show you my FaucetPay wallet and the cryptocurrencies I collect every single day. As you can see, the first cryptocurrency on this wallet is Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin is the most popular cryptocurrency in the history of cryptos, and it has the largest value in the market. In fact, it has become an inspiration to all other cryptocurrency developers. They strive to at least reach or surpass the value of Bitcoin. Speaking of value, one Bitcoin is equal to $58,485 and approximately 2.8 million in Philippine peso. Many people are investing in Bitcoin while I get it for free. I made a video months ago on how to earn cryptos in FaucetPay. You can visit the video up here if you want to. But just to show you, I simply visit pages in this tab to earn a portion of a Bitcoin and stay on that page for a few seconds, and that's it. Ethereum is also known as the second most popular cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. Well, currently it climbed to a high value of $2,064 as of today and approximately 100,000 in Philippine peso. I don't mind Ethereum that much because I found it hard to collect, but you can see some fractions here just because my friends are collecting Ethereum themselves. Dogecoin is also a virtual coin with the dog on it. It's much like Bitcoin that enables peer-to-peer transactions across a decentralized network. It doesn't have much value like Ethereum and Bitcoin, but at least it has a value that once piled up, it still gives you the value you desire. Currently, one Dogecoin is equal to 6 cents in USD and approximately 2 pesos and 85 cents. Litecoin is also a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency which is sometimes called the digital silver to Bitcoin's digital gold. Its value as of today in the Philippine peso is approximately 10,691 and $220 in USD, which I still consider a high-value coin in the market. Bitcoin Cash, they say, is an alternative version of Bitcoin that the developers hard-forked Bitcoin to create a new version of the same code with a few modifications, which is basically created in the image of Bitcoin. One Bitcoin Cash is currently as much as 30,585 in Philippine peso and $631 in USD. Dash, like Bitcoin Cash, it is also an alternative version that was forked from the Bitcoin protocol. One Dash is running a value of 12,802 pesos and $263 in USD as of today. Digibyte is said to be more than a faster digital currency that can be used for digital assets, smart contracts, decentralized applications, and secure authentication. Its current value as of today is 4 pesos and 8 cents in USD. Tron claims to be the largest blockchain-based operating system in the world. Its core partners are Samsung, Opera, Poloniex, BitTorrent, and Swisscom blockchain. Though people say that its value dropped in March 2020 as a result of the COVID-19 spread. The value of 1 Tron as of today is 11 cents in USD. Tether is a blockchain-based cryptocurrency whose crypto coins in circulation are sponsored by an equivalent amount of traditional fiat currencies like the dollar, euros, won, and etc., which are held in a designated bank account. It is holding a value of $1 for 1 USDT as of today. Fiora is a platform launched by FaucetPay and links the Fate token to their platform ecosystem. In December 2020, I got 2,700 Fate tokens from FaucetPay, and it has no value at that time, and now it holds a value of 0.00850 cents in USD for 1 Fate token. You can only see a fraction of Fate tokens here today because I stake my tokens for 70 days to profit. Zcash is a cryptocurrency with a decentralized blockchain that seeks to provide anonymity for its users and their transactions. It is also known to be built on the Bitcoin framework, and in many respects, it is identical to Bitcoin. Zcash holds its value of $152 for 1 Zcash and 8,409 in Philippine peso as of today. Binance Coin is a utility cryptocurrency that operates as a payment method for fees associated with trading on the Binance exchange. It was initially an ERC20 token that operated on Ethereum blockchain and eventually had mainnet launch. The value of 1 BNB as of today is approximately $441 in USD and 21,495 in Philippine peso. What I like about FaucetPay is that it provides not only a crypto wallet, but it lets you earn different crypto coins at the same time. There may be some snags in using FaucetPay, but we can always be cautious in our actions, like not believing in all too good to be true advertisements we visit or whatever pops up the computer screen. It is always a good practice to research first before investing to anything. I wish you all the best and thank you so much for watching. Please take care. Bye!